Good morning and welcome to the Sanctuary Cove International Boat Show for 2022 and to the Riviera Luxury Motor Yacht Showcase. Our team are busy now completing the setup for this display for the show that opens at 9 o'clock this morning. And at the show this year we have a magnificent luxury motor yacht showcase, 12 yachts in total from 39 to 78 feet. And we're featuring three premieres, the 78 motor yacht and the 4600 sport yacht. On behalf of Rodney Longhurst and our 900 strong team at Coomera, it's now our greatest pleasure to welcome you aboard for the world premiere of the 465 SUV.
Picture life on board your brilliant new Riviera SUV adventure yacht. Surrounded in luxury, totally relaxed, and taking every opportunity to create precious memories your friends and loved ones will remember forever.